Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from Revolut to Trading 212 using the latest methods. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application and then log in into your account first. Now when you log in into your account, simply tap on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. Over here you will be shown the option of deposit funds, so you need to simply select that. Then you need to select the option of instant bank transfer. If Revolut appears in the list of the supported banks, then you need to select it, and this is the recommended method because the transfer is initiated from the Trading 212 using the open banking. So when you do this, you will be redirected to the Revolut application. So you need to log in into that when prompted. Choose the account that you want to pay from, enter or confirm the deposit amount, and tap on the option of approve. So once authorized, you will automatically return to the Trading 212 application. In most of the cases, many of the payments are going to be arrived within just a few minutes. If you don't see the Revolut as an instant bank transfer option, then you can go back to the deposit funds option again. Then you can choose the option of bank transfer instead. Trading 212 then is going to display the bank details and your unique payment references. So you need to then open the Revolut application, tap on the option of payments, go to the bank transfer, select the option of new, then you need to add the Trading 212 bank details, enter the reference exactly as shown, and then you need to send the payment. So standard transfers can take up to 3 business days in order to arrive, so you need to wait until then. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.